You get an estimate for a foundation repair you were not expecting. The repair was not in the budget and you feel discouraged. I would also feel discouraged. What if I told you there are options to make the repair easier on your budget? Stay tuned to find out what steps you can take to pay for your repair. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery and I'm the Director of Sales at Acculevel. I've been around the foundation business since my family started Acculevel in 1996. I began working full-time at Acculevel in 2013. If you're like me, you live on a budget. When extra expenses happen, it dips into my budget. In this video, I'll tell you the best options for paying for foundation repairs or waterproofing repairs. Let's get started. This is such a massive question, and I'd highly encourage you to reflect back to some of our other videos and blog articles on the specific repairs and the specific costs of those repairs. However, it can be a massive range, and it can range from $800 up to $20,000 or $30,000, but most land around the $8,000 to $10,000 mark. So obviously here at Acculevel, we accept the common payment forms of cash, check, credit card, but like I said earlier, a lot of these can be unexpected and expensive. So we offer two different forms of financing. Mainly we offer financing through a provider called Green Sky. They provide many different plan options depending on what's more important to you, your terms or your payments. It can really be built to fit what works in your budget. The final option is a relationship that we have with 7 banks throughout the United States that we can help you apply for. Now, with any of these offers, we do require deposits, typically starting at 30% to get the work scheduled once you've decided on the fix for your home. This is usually something that can be done very easy. And it's sitting down with one of our project advisors and filling out some information that we don't already have about you. So you can actually go to our website, Acculevel.com, scroll down to the bottom of that homepage, and you can click the Get Pre-Qualified Today button and fill out some brief information. And this will do a soft pull to let you know how much you could potentially get to finance your project. And obviously your project advisor is there to help you in any way possible to get pre-qualified to look at those financing options for your project. Now, once those are filled out, we'll get an approval within minutes of us submitting that so that you know exactly how much you got approved for and what terms and plans that you can accept. If you have questions about financing foundation repairs or waterproofing, give us a call to schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors. You can also go to our homepage, Acculevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button, fill out the form, and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about financing? If so, please leave those in the comments below, and we'll be happy to answer those questions for you. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. We noticed that about 99% of the people who watch our videos are not subscribed. So if you could take a quick second, hit that like and subscribe button, we would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.